Wow! Finally, at dumating na nga itong bagong gym tumbler collab. Yan.
Ay, wow, so girly.
So girly, look. Wow! Look at the design. It's very aesthetic. This is a collaboration of Germ and...
Coca-Cola.
Yes, and Gab, ang ganda ng kanyang thermos tumbler. It's heat and...
Cold.
Yes, it's 24 hours long-lasting ang kanyang init at ang aesthetic lang. Pagka-press mo, ando na. Ayan. Look kung gaano katibay itong kanyang materials na ginamit. Stainless steel, meron siyang non-slip base, and ready for gym. Hot and cold na siya. Love, look, napaka-aesthetic. Napakaganda, social, girly-girly. Kaya sa mga gusto na ganitong tumbler, i-click
Ang yellow basket.